Hello, how to solve this is 5 power k equals k power 6 to 5. We are solving for the value of k that satisfies this equation. Now, let's start by eliminating this k here. So we can achieve this by multiplying the exponent by 1 over k. So you have 5 power k raised to the power of 1 over k equals, this is k power 6 to 5. And this is raised to the power of 1 over k. Now remember, a power x power y equals a power x times y. So k times 1, we have 5 power k over k equals k power 6 to 5 times 1 is 6 to 5 divided by k. K eliminates k, we have 1, so we have 5 equals k power 6 to 5 divided by k. So what we are going to do again will be to eliminate 6 to 5 from here. So to achieve that, we multiply this exponent by 1 over 6 to 5. We have 5 to the power of, this will be 1 over 6 to 5 equals k power 6 to 5 divided by k, and this is to the power of 1 over 6 to 5. So right now, this eliminates this. I will simply have 5 power 1 over 6 to 5 equals k to the power of, this is 1 over k. Now, what I'm going to do will be to consider this particular trick. I need to insert 1 here. I can have 5 to the power of 1 times 1 over 6 to 5 equals k power 1 over k. And what we need to know is that 1 is the same thing as 5 divided by 5. So instead of writing 1 here, I'm going to replace it with 5 over 5. So I have 5 power, this is 5 over 5 times 1 over 6 to 5. This equals k power 1 over k. So from here, I can multiply this numerator, 5 times 1, that is 5. I have 5 to the power of 5 divided by 5 times 6 to 5. 5 times 5, 25, 5 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30 plus 1, 31. You have 3125. This is 3125 equals k power 1 over k. Next step will be to factor out these 5s. So we simply have 5 power 5 times 1 divided by 3125 equals k power 1 over k. And remember the fact that if you have a power n times n, this equals a power n to the power of n. So applying this right here, I will have 5 to the power of 5 raised to the power of 1 over 3125 equals k power 1 over k. And from here, 5 power 5, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 raised to the power of 1 over 3125 equals k power 1 over k. 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125 times 5, 625 times 5, 3125. 3125 power 1 over 3125 equals k power 1 over k. If you observe very well, this and this are the same, this and this are the same. So let's compare this exponent. 1 over 3125 equals 1 over k. I cross multiply, k multiplies 1. I have k equals 3125 multiplies 1. I have 3125. So this becomes my answer for k. That means my k is 3125. So let's go ahead and verify this particular answer. And let's check if this particular value of k will satisfy the equation. I'll verify. 5 power k equals k power 625. And my k is 3125. So let's substitute this value for k. 5 power 3125 equals k is 3125. Power 625. So from here, 5 power 3125 equals 3125 is 5 power 5 power 625. So if you multiply this out, 5 power 3125 equals 5 to the power 5 times 625. Remember, 625 times 5 is 3125. Left hand side equals right hand side. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it. And this is how you solve this exponential problem and finding a value of k. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.